This Coldwell Banker Welcome Home Realty property video is presented by Mary Weller. Spacious 3 full bedrooms 2 bath townhome with nice open floor plan in a well-established association. 1,628 square feet that has been freshly painted interior with new carpets all on one level. The kitchen was built with maple cabinets and center island as well as a nice pantry. The separate laundry room is conveniently placed in the uint and the living room offers a patio door to the side patio yard. The master bedroom suite includes a 3/4 bath and walk-in closet. Call today for immediate possession. For more information, review the details below or contact Mary Weller at 507-420-5435.